Hey guys, how's it going? LB Trader here again with another daily recap video. Alright, so today is the 12th of August. Actually, the time now is actually 11:47. So as you have known, alright, if I make the video before 12 midnight, it means that I make a loser. Alright, so without further ado, I will just give you a quick summary of what actually happened. Right, earlier on today, the market was in the range, right? It's in the range for pretty long, and when New York session actually opened, it actually broke the range, right? I would say the support and resistance zone of the range, and when it broke once, I was actually looking for setup, but so I waited for a retracement, but the retracement came and it hit the other resistance zone. So in the end I didn't take any setup. Eventually it broke the lower zone again, and that is when I actually looked for another setup because the retracement actually came. It was like a three to four candle retracement from what I'm seeing here, and the entry candle actually appeared, right? My entry signal actually appeared, so that's the reason why I took a trade. And unfortunately, true enough, I took a trade and I lost, right? It went into my stop loss almost immediately. I would say one, two, three, four, five, about six candles. So six is about 30, within like 30 minutes. I actually got stopped out at a full 2% loss, right? So my 2% loss is about almost 2K, right? Of course, I'm trading 100K funded, sorry, 100K challenge account with FTMO, right? So the I even took it on my on my funded account as well, and yep, same thing, same trade, same loss, right? And actually, a fun story also. I have one story later on I can share with you. So I'll just show you the chart real quick, right, on what I was seeing and how the channel actually looks like. Then I'll head right over to the story. It was actually a mistake that I made, but fortunately I saw the mistake. I realized the mistake early, and I actually avoided the mistake. Otherwise, I might have already lost my account. Alright, so without further ado, I'll just go and do a replay here. Alright, so this is the replay zone. And as you can see, right, it's pretty clear cut. It's actually just in this range. It came up, tested this again, then it tested this again, like, kind of lah. Then it tested this, come down like that. Then it broke, right? It broke and the retracement actually came. But the retracement came, I need it to actually this retracement need to carry on until like the middle here, right? In the New York session. But unfortunately it didn't. It straight went down again, and when I was actually thinking of whether to take the trade or not, but then because there was a high impact news at 8:30, so I ignored the market as well. As you can see, the market went pretty irrational, right? Blasted through both the support and resistance zone. Also, I'm just waiting lah. I'm waiting for a clear trend, right? I want it to break either of the zone with a retracement, and then that's where I look for my entry candle. So unfortunately, based on this candle here as well as this candle here, the retracement didn't come when it was outside here. So I didn't take the trade, and I waited again, waited, and this broke. And when it broke, right, I was actually thinking whether to take the trade or not. But like I said, my strategy is I will require a retracement, so there was no retracement that came in. In fact, it went up again, right? So ranging market is really pretty horrible. Maybe I should really avoid ranging market all in all. Like maybe in the beginning of the day, if it's a ranging market, I shouldn't even take a trade at all already. But yeah, I'll just gather some more data and I'll see how it goes. So eventually, I think it broke now. Yeah, it broke now perfectly, right? It has a very strong break, and then it actually have a retracement, right? So I counted this as a retracement. So this is like one, two, three, almost a four candle retracement because there are long wicks here. So and then yeah, based on these three candle, one, two, three, right? Just based off these three candle, I took the trade, and my stop loss I put it around here because it was already at almost 11 p.m. I usually realize that after 11 p.m. price movement is not too much, and I just expect the market to maybe go sideways. So if I have a smaller stop loss, it means I might have a higher chance to actually make more money as well, although the price is going sideways. But unfortunately, like what I mentioned, the price actually went up straight, right, and hit my TP almost within a few candles. So that's the recap that I have for you, right? As you can see, if I open up, I stop the replay, it came up to test this zone again, right? So frustrating. So I made a loss on both my FTMO as well as my funding pips funded account, right? My funded 100k account. It's actually pretty bad. So I'll just jump straight into the story that I have for you, right? So as you can see here, I got 3 accounts, but this is my personal account lah. But this is the funding pips funded account, and I'll show you, right, what happened. Okay, so as you can see, now the account value is about 90,956. I'm almost losing the account already, so hope, fingers crossed, I don't lose the account. And as you can see here, right, I actually took 2 trades today, right? 2 trades here today, and it's just within 2 minutes. So what actually happened was, when I launched the application, right, the application was already logged into my funding pips funded account, and I actually took the trade, and I took the trade based on my FTMO lot size, which is I want to risk 2%. As you can see here, right, my account I don't even have 2%, and I actually risk 2%. So I actually immediately went ahead to close the trade. I realized it, I closed the trade within 2 minutes, and then I entered the next trade. So you can see here, right, I'll zoom in for you and take a quick look. Right, as you can see, this area here, right? So many arrows here because I entered the trade, I exited the trade, then I entered the trade again. Eventually it stopped me out here. Right, so that's I would say a cheeky mistake that I've actually made. It was fortunately I figured it out, and I actually exited it pretty soon. So I actually limit my losses. So if let's say, right, I didn't do that, I didn't realize, or let's say I decided to just take a gamble lah. Like, since I already in a trade, just take a gamble. What's gonna happen? If you see what's the outcome today, I'm gonna lose my funded account. Right? I spent so much time on this funded account. Right? I'm trying to get it back up into profit again, but unfortunately I didn't get it into profit, and I nearly lost the account. So yeah, unfortunate, but fortunate at the same time, right? It's a mistake that I've learned. So always check which account you're locked in. So I mean, a lot of people, they trade with multiple accounts as well. So just be very careful. Ensure that you're locked into the correct account. All right. So that's all I have for you today. Hope you like the video. Hope you like the daily recap. Hope you like to see me lose my money. Right? Actually, it's a demo account. It's not real money, but I still spent my own cash to buy the challenges from FTMO as well as funding pips. So yeah, I will still say it's losing money lah. Huh? So yeah, for those who took a trade today, hope you had a winner as always, and hope you liked the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Hit me up in the comments. Feel free to join the Discord channel. Right, I see new people are joining. Welcome to the Discord channel. Right, chat us up there. Me and Mr. Mario, we're actually pretty friendly people. We do try to engage our people, our members there. Alright, so yeah, hope you have a good trading day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's night time, time to sleep. Good night. Bye bye.